All right, guys, I know it's been a while, but I figured I'd give you a quick update since this build has definitely taken longer than I thought. We have the next nacelle wired, ready to go. I still got to put the dimmer tape over the runway lights on this side. And we did not light up the bottom runways. Not sure what happened, but we put the strip in, and after we connected all the modules, and of course, it didn't work. So we've got 4 of the engines on, and the light kits for those just beautifully lit up amicably as well. So once we get everything done, we will turn around and start getting everything hardwired inside the body, finish the fiber optic lighting that's going to run down the main hull of the body, and then we will start putting all the micro Raptors and Vipers throughout the upper lidded runways. I do like the diffuser a little bit on that side so it lights up the interior without getting overly crazy, but then again, I guess I do kind of like the white stripping as well because it does light up the walls a little better, but I didn't want the overlight to cast shadow on everything that was going to be inside there. So again, sorry for the delay in all of this, but this is turning out to be a much bigger wiring job than I had originally anticipated. So hopefully now that the pylon hangers are wired, we'll be able to get the struts in, get them mounted, and then start coming back around the ship and getting all the engine nacelles put in and done all the way around. But I did take a measurement on it, and it come out at 73, almost 74 inches. And when I went to the website, it said that the show Battlestar Pegasus is supposed to be like 6,000 and some odd square feet. So if that's correct, this wouldn't be a 1033 scale. This will end up being a 983 scale model, much bigger. So tell me what you think. If you like the video, please post it up, because we definitely would like to get as many likes as we can on it. And hopefully once the fiber optics are in, this baby will shine completely through with everything. Still got a lot of small parts over there that I have yet to paint. That will be the covering panels for the nacelles and then the ship windows as well. So, but right now just getting the wiring jobs and then getting those parts connected will be the sum of my culmination, at least for this week. Thanks again for watching.